everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm filming a what I bought in Paris. We're doing a Paris haul. I'm currently in Paris. We did a little bit of shopping. True's also done some shopping, so at the end of this video I'm going to get him to come in. I'm speaking a bit fast because I have to get this video filmed in 30 minutes because we have a reservation for lunch that we need to get to. So I'm just going to get through everything and I'm going to do it in a chronological order of what I purchased first, starting with a fragrance from Byredo. So I actually don't own anything from this brand and I love the aesthetics of the brand. I've tried their products before at hotels, but I don't actually own anything, and I've always wanted a Byredo fragrance because I love the aesthetics of them. When we were shopping, I was with Trieu and my friend Ada at Galeries Lafayette, and we just walked past and I thought, let me have a little smell of the fragrances, and this was the one that I fell in love with. This is the Bal de Freak. So this is the fragrance and I love the bottle of it. One thing that attracted me to the brand was the minimal packaging. I had a smell of all the fragrances and this is the one that I fell in love with the most. True also really liked it and he does steal my perfume sometimes, and this is a unisex fragrance so we can both share it. I'm actually going to spray some on now. Smells so good. I'm going to put the notes on screen because off the top of my head right now I can't remember it, but we'll put the notes of this fragrance on screen. If you have a Byredo near you, would highly recommend having a smell. It smells delicious. They also do a hair fragrance which is next to my wish list because I love a little hair fragrance just to complete that whole fragrance experience. Next up, I got something from the brand Enquiries, which is a French brand that I feel like is really becoming big now. They're a very old brand. They've been here for many, many years. They've kind of made a comeback in the last few years. I had my eyes on this piece in a different colour that was available in the UK and then saw this colour, tried it on, fell in love with it and had to get it. So it is their vinyl mini skirt in this really beautiful blue colour. It's like a pastel blue and it's a mini skirt. You've got the little Enquiries logo here, and this one I've seen in the UK in the black and the red colour, and I was looking at the red one, but then when I saw this in Galeries Lafayette I thought I should get it because I haven't seen this colour anywhere in the UK and it matches perfectly with my blue Chanel bag that I have. I don't wear that bag a lot because I feel like I don't have a lot of pieces that go with that pale blue colour. So I thought this would be perfect. This with a white turtleneck, my blue Chanel bag. It's in this vinyl material and it's an A-line style skirt. So that's what I got from Enquiries. And then afterwards we went to Ami Paris. This was still in Galeries Lafayette. And I'd been looking for a scarf. I really wanted a black scarf to wear because, for example, like wearing this cardigan out with my coat on, I feel like my chest area still needs to be covered and I don't want to wear a turtleneck underneath because I like the look of this like this, and a scarf is the perfect answer to that. And I don't actually own any black winter scarves, so I was on the hunt for a black scarf. We went to Acne Studios, tried that scarf on. I did like it, but it wasn't giving me much for me to feel the need to buy it. Then we went to Ami Paris and I picked up this scarf. It's their signature with the heart and the A. I also like A for Anna. Thought that would work. It's a wool blend, alpaca wool blend scarf, and it actually just keeps me so warm. I've been wearing it every single day since I got it in Paris because it is cold here now. I love the texture of it. It's super soft, very thick. It has the tassels at the end, especially when I'm wearing an all black outfit. I love the little pop of red, and when I'm accessorizing it with red bags or any red accessories, it just looks really cute. And then when I was there looking at the scarf, I also saw this coat on the rack and it was on sale for 50% off. I've been looking for a coat just like this, especially for when we went to Aspen. This was a coat I wanted and couldn't really find anything that looked good and not really cheap, and this was the perfect piece. I'm gonna unbox it here with you guys, unwrap it. So it is, oh, it's gonna shed so much. It's this big fluffy faux fur coat. I'm gonna put a picture of me wearing this in the store. It sheds a lot because it's like fresh. It's got padding inside which I really like, so it keeps you warm because it's got a really good padded lining. I'm gonna give it to True because I don't want to get this all over my outfit. When I tried it on in store, it literally had shedding everywhere, but that is something that will go the more you wear it. This is kind of like the excess faux fur that's coming off. The more you wear it, the less it will shed. But yeah, I've been looking for a coat like this for so long. I loved it. I just felt like it elevated that outfit instantly. I was wearing a black mini skirt, a black turtleneck, and it just made me feel really bougie. And I've just been looking for a coat like this for so long. I ordered one on ASOS, this really long one. Actually, I have a picture I put my story of Trieu trying it on, but it looked really cheap. And I feel like with this coat, you can get it easily wrong. So this one was perfect. I love the fit of it. I love how it looked. I like it has a collar, and I like that I got it on sale for 50% off. So that is what I got from Ami Paris. I really like that brand. They actually have some really cool pieces. Okay, next up, Trieu's behind the screen, like getting me to speed up. What did I buy next? This was actually the last thing, and then it's your turn, Trieu. So next, I had to went to visit Chanel, of course. I never come to Paris and not visit Chanel. My essay at Chanel is the sweetest. I always come to visit her whenever I'm in Paris, and she actually gave me a box of macarons from P&M, which is one of the best macarons places to get your macarons from. She always gives me a gift, which is the sweetest thing ever. She's so lovely, and I actually had no intention to go there to buy anything. Even in the vlog I was speaking, just saying my main reason for going to the Paris store was to go and visit her, and I didn't really have anything on my wish list to buy, but she shows us around the store anyway. We're just looking at the new collections. It's just really fun to be able to go around the store, see things, try things on without the pressure of having to buy anything. Then she opens this bag drawer and she's like, yeah, these are all the bags, just have a look. If there's anything you want to see closer, let me know and I'll take it out for you. So I'm scanning all the drawers, and then I was like, what's that bag there? And she pulled it out, tried it on. I was like, I need this bag. The price was really good as well, considering Chanel pricing. I'll show you the bag now. I'll put the unboxing clip. We filmed a little unboxing for Instagram. So this is the bag that I picked up. It's a little bit of an unexpected bag. I'm not sure what you guys thought it would be, but it is this red bucket bag style. It's an aged calfskin leather, and this is actually from the 2020 collection, and it's the last collection that Karl Lagerfeld had designed. So this is a very special bag, and she was just saying how sometimes they have pieces from other countries that get shipped over. If they haven't sold in that country, they'll send them back to the Paris store, and essentially this was just a bag that has been around for a long time that no one wanted, which I'm happy about because I've actually not seen anyone wear this bag, and it's nice to have a unique piece that isn't kind of like a viral bag or a really trendy bag. As much as I do love some of the trendy pieces, I thought this was a really special bag, and it's the one that caught my eye. And if you guys remember in my wishlist video, I've been saying how I wanted a red bag, and I've been saying this for a while. Even before we came out to Paris, I did say to Trieu, I really want a nice red bag. I feel like red goes with everything. As I said, red goes with denim, it goes with black, it goes with white. This is a bag that I think I will be able to wear all throughout the year. Oh, the price. Okay, the price was 3,000 euros, which for Chanel bags is crazy because I feel like you can't get bags for that price anymore. 3,000 euros, and then when you convert it to pounds and then you get the tax back, it worked out under 3,000 pounds, which I think is a great thing for a Chanel bag. I love the little drawstring it has here, so you can close it up like that, and then the strap that it comes with, this kind of vintage gold strap. Because it is a bag from the 2020 collection, it comes with this authenticity card. It doesn't come with the microchip, which a lot of the newer bags have. This was my Chanel purchase, a very unexpected one, but one that I'm really happy about, and actually I think will fit really nicely into my collection. Okay, so that is everything that I bought from Paris, but I'm gonna pass the camera on to Trieu. You want me to? No, you have to do it, Trieu. He's behind the camera like, you do it. I'm gonna get Trieu now to sit on the seat. Now you can see how hard it is to film all. I'm gonna get Trieu to show you what he got. I can help you with some kids, but you're gonna sit here and I'll pass you the bag, okay? Yeah. Be nice to him, guys. Don't be rude to my Trieu.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing an unboxing of what I got in Paris. What did I buy first? Right, so the first thing I bought was from Prada. So I've been looking for a pair of trousers for months now, and I'm basically just been wearing one pair from Uniqlo, but I just wanted something different. We went into Galeries Lafayette, the men's section, and went into Prada, and I saw these pair of jeans. I don't know what they're called. They're just like, what color is this? Like grey.
It's like a washed black.
Washed black jeans. This one has this vintage Prada label and then the logo plaque is just in the pocket there. Nuri took a really bad picture of me wearing this, but these jeans are cropped. They make you look tall, essentially, because I didn't want that like oversized long trousers look.
These are your first pair of jeans after how many years? Like so many years.
Like first pair of jeans in 5 years, I think. Lastly,
this is a very big unexpected purchase.
Thank you, assistant. Got something from Dior. So we were just on our way leaving the store, and then we walked past Dior and Nuri saw this jacket on the mannequin. I didn't feel it at first, but when I tried it on, it was very cool. Let me just unbox it here.
I think it's another piece that you have to try on. I took some pictures of you actually with this.
So this jacket from Dior, it's in this very washed blue color, so it's a neutral. It has lots of pockets, so it plays into that utility style trend that Nuri spoke about. The inside is lined, sort of like a blazer from Dior. Let me just put it on now actually. So obviously not with this jumper, but essentially this is it's giving me very casual. And with this Dior buckle, which is very cool.
Wait, can you undo it?
Oh, you can. I don't know what this is for, but you know what I can do? Attach like a camera or
oh
tripod.
No, not this.
But yeah, this is like a very basic, casual, but again, elevated.
It also has this.
Oh yeah.
Did you not know this? Yeah, Christian Dior Couture. It's from their new collection.
It's also slightly cropped. The guy said to wear like very long t-shirts with it, to give it that street style look. Yeah, so that's what I bought from Paris.
I think my favourite detail is the buckle. I think that's what drew me to that coat, was the colour and the buckle. I think it just looks really cool. Yeah, and you love these kind of jackets.
So that's it, that's what I got.
Yeah.
And Nuri, do you want to end the video?
Yeah, let's end the video together, Trieu. So guys, we're gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Today's actually our last day in Paris. We're gonna leave tomorrow. If we do end up buying anything, we'll try and add it to the end of this vlog. Yeah. But I doubt, we're trying to be good now. We spent too much, we're like, that's it with the shopping. So
the vlog that came with this trip is gonna be live on Sunday.
Yes.
So you'll see all of the behind the scenes of the shopping.
Yeah.
We did a lot more browsing, so you can see that as well. So that will go live on Sunday. But for now, hope you guys enjoyed this little haul of what we got in Paris. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time.
See you next time. Bye guys.